not able to solve the other questions.
Sir, I didn't try.
Oh yeah, okay, you did. Yeah, that much I can expect from you. Okay, yeah. So you can try. Okay, so yeah, please try those questions and send me the comments. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, there's that chapter. Okay, so this is from Walaikum Assalam. Okay, so we were just about to start at the perfect time. Walaikum Assalam, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
Everything good, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, I forgot. So Adil and Talha, you didn't join that class assessment test. Oh, because Adil was not there. Talha, you also didn't join that class assessment test. Hmm. So today I'll be here and you guys will join and then yeah. Okay, so Adil, you go through the previous lecture videos, right? And one day I will take the backup class for this people. Okay, whenever I will be doing this AP in the second batch, so then I will follow, or I can inform you and then you can join that class. Okay, Adil.
Okay.
Yeah, so we were doing this nth term of an AP, right? And just to revise that portion. So we had this. So nth term of an AP is given by, let's say if we have an AP whose general form is, this is right. Whose general form is A, and this is increased by this common difference, and then 2D, and then 3D, and so on, right? So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is called the nth term. Okay, this is the first term. This is the number of terms. And this is the common difference that each succeeding term has. Right, so if I want to calculate what is A5, so what would be A5, Talha? It's pretty important. What is A5, Talha? From the general form? Yes, boss. Answer. Yes, Talha. What is A5?
Yes. Oh, what is
Just apply
A?
this form.
A5. Oh, okay. A plus, yeah. 4D.
Yes. Now you are quick.
Yes. I went for the major, sorry.
Oh, yes. Yeah, so Adil, what would be, let's say, A6? Just apply this formula and then you'll get the answer. So for in place of n, we have to put 6. So what would be A6? The sixth term. So this is the sixth term. Adil. Right, so just use this one. So in the second exercise, only this formula would be used. So what would be A6, Adil? Yes.
A.
Yes, A plus, and this is n is equals to how much? N is, let's see here, this is n. So n is 6, right, Adil? Yes, right, Adam. So this would be 6 minus 1 into. So this would be 6 minus 1 is 5. So this would be a plus 5. Understood, Adam?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I ask you what would be the seventh term, so this would be simply a plus how much t? Yes. Yes, Abdul. Yes.
No, no.
Yeah. So a plus how much would be there? In place of n, we have to use 7. Right.
Yes.
So how much would that be?
7
Yes, 7
minus 1.
minus 1 into t. Yes, correct. Correct. Absolutely correct. So this would be simply 60. So just remember that whenever they ask you the nth term, or let's say sixth term is a plus 5. Seventh term is a plus 60. Fourth term would be a plus 3t. Right. So one is less, whatever is the coefficient. One is less from here. So if I'm calculating a2, so that would be a plus t. If I am calculating a18, so that would be a plus 17. And if I am calculating a19, so that would be a plus 18. Or if I am calculating a200, so that would be a plus 190. One less. Always one less. Understood, guys? Yeah. So only this formula is needed for this exercise. So let us do this. So let us quickly finish this whole question, and then we'll talk about those terms, right? So first, let me quickly. Otherwise, we'll be stuck at this point. So let me quickly finish this. So find the 20th term from the last term of the. Okay, what kind of questions? So find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So this is the AP. Okay. So this is the AP, and we have to calculate the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So we have to write the progression from the last. So let's say if I am counting like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, then I have to start the counting as 10, 9, and 1. Okay. So this is the last term. And we have to calculate the 20th term from the last. Right. So from the last, if I count my progression from the last term, so what would be my first term, Rizwan? If I count the terms from the last term, so what would be my first term?
The last term will be the first term.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. What have you eaten today? Correct. Badam, rabba, aleka
No,
murabba.
sir, I have allergy with badam.
Okay. Yeah. So we have to write, understood, guys? Tala, Shaima, and Adil. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what would be the first term? 253 would be the first. Okay. And you see that from this term, 1, 2, so 1 was the common difference. But the polarity or the sign of the common difference will change. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So whatever this D was here, so this was 5, right? Okay, before. So yeah, so I just told the answer. So D is 5, right? So for this case, D would be how much? Yeah. So let me write. So 253 minus 5 is how much? So This is 248, right? And then so on. And we have to calculate the 28th term. So now we know A is how much, Tala? A is how much, Tala?
A is 20.
Huh? 253, right? You said 253. Yes. And what is D?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
This minus this. Whenever I ask D, so this minus this. So 248 minus 253 minus 5. Right. And then you have N equals to what? N is given, right? So now we can calculate A20. A20 would be simply A plus 19. Right, guys? Adil, did you understand this part?
Yes.
Okay. So A is 253, right? Plus 19 into minus 5, right? So this would be 253 minus how much is 19? Anybody know the table of 19? I don't know. I have
Negative
forgotten.
95.
94, 95. Because I have forgotten the table of 90. 13 minus 5 is 8, and then this is 4 minus 14 minus 9 is 5. And this is 1. Right, so this is the 20th term. Any doubt in this question, guys? Any doubt? So what was the question? Find the 20th term from the last term, right, of the AP. So this was the AP, and we have to take the reciprocal of the AP. So in the reverse order, we have to take, right? So the reverse order would give us this. And from this reverse order, we have to calculate the 20th term. So if we are calculating the 20th term from this order, so our first term and the common difference will change, right? So this was the idea that we have to apply in this question. Any doubt, guys? Talha, Rizwan, Shama, and Rahul?
No, sir.
Yes. So only Rizwan said, rest of you guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Talha,
No.
Anil? No. Okay, so you guys please note it down. Okay, I will do the 3 question myself, and then I'll talk about the sum of first 10 terms, and then I'll start this third exercise. So yeah, Adil, then you will understand more properly, because I am starting this in the middle. So if I start the new topic, then you will be able to understand it. You guys quickly note down, because I want to start this third exercise, right? Okay, who left? We have only 5.
Talha.
Tala, oh, where did he go? Maybe network issues. Yeah, you guys quickly note it down. He didn't come. Yeah, yes. Yes, boss, Tala. What happened? Network issues.
not network. That's
Yeah.
the way.
Yeah.
When you asked me like what is the N, I tried to unmute, but then
Yeah. So you press the leave button. Yeah.
no, not
Okay.
leave. I restarted the entire.
Oh. Okay. So just quickly note down this question and then we will do the next one. Right. And Shaima has tried 2 problems. You guys, please send me the homework problems, right? Then I would be able to talk about those problems, right? The sum of 4th and 8th term of a unit is 24. The sum of 6 and 10 is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the unit. Okay. I started working. Yeah, so should I scroll down the screen? You guys can tell.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tala. Noted up to this point. Yes, Tala. Don't leave this time.
Yes,
Done. Okay, so oh, this was okay. So I guess you guys have noted completely, right?
yes.
Everybody done. Shama and Adal.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just quickly do this problem 18th question, right? And then I can ask you guys to just take this 19 and 20 as well. Okay. So the sum of the 4th and 8th term of an EP is 24. So what is given here? Talha, you tell me that what is given here. We have done so many word problems in linear equation, two variables, and in quadratic equation. So you tell me what should I write here? So how is the weather there?
Extremely hot.
Talha? Because I can guess that very fast winds are blowing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because the birds are chirping quite aggressively, and wind is blowing. So yeah, what is given here?
Fourth in terms of an EP is 20.
Yeah, fourth and 8th term. Right. What is the 4th term? How we write the 4th term?
So for a equals a plus 3, right?
Yeah, you are correct. But we write the 4th term as 8, right? You are correct that we write it as, yeah. So that would be my next question. So you already have done this part. But from this question, what is given? That the sum of 4th and 8th term. So you have 2 terms, A4 and A8, and their sum is how much? Yes.
Could you repeat?
Yeah. So you have two term, 4th and so you have 4th term, right? And you have 8th term. But from this question, it is given that the sum of the 4th term and 8th term is 24. So how can we write this information? A4 plus A8 is 24. Right. This is given. Right, guys? Yes, any doubt in this? Guys, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Yeah. And what is the next information, Rizwan? This one.
AP is 20. A6 and A10.
Plus 8. Right. This is how much?
44.
Right. So these are the two information that are given. Right. So A4, as Talha said, that would be, so if we solve this problem, let me write it as 1. So solving 1 would give A plus BD plus A8 would be how much, Adil? Yes, Adil. Oh, who left? Yeah, Adil left. What is that? Wow, rest of the people. Yeah, so A8 would be, yeah, Shaima is not there. So, okay, again, let me ask you next. A plus 7. And this is 24, so this is 2A plus 10D is 24. So I should take 2 common, right, guys? So if I take 2 common, this would be A plus 5D is 24, so this is 12. So A plus 5D is 12. This is my, let's say, third equation. And if I solve this equation, right, so this would give me A plus 5D plus A plus 9D equals to 44. So this would be 2A plus 14D is 44. So again, I take 2 pounds. So this would be A plus 7D equals to 20. So this would be my fourth equation. Now, which method we should use? Substitution or elimination?
Elimination.
Elimination. So all hail elimination, right? Yeah. So A plus 5D is 12, and we can subtract. So this cancels, and we have 2D is 10. Right. So D is 5, and A plus 5D is 12. So we can use this fourth equation using third equation. So this would be A plus 5 into 5 is 12. So A is 12 minus 25. So this is minus 20. Right. So this would be the answer. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, you guys just quickly note down this part, and then 19 and 20 you guys try it by yourself. Okay. So Shubha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 500 and received an increment of 200 each year. Each year did she did his income? Huh? Shubha Rao is a male. Subba Rao. Okay, Subba Rao. So in which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay. So Rizwan, tell me what is this 7,000? Oh, you guys are noting down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to disturb you guys. If you guys please note it down, and then I'll ask the question.
Okay, sir.
So 19 question I'll ask to Rizwan and 20 to Shan, because I have asked so many questions in AP and tutor. So you guys just quickly note it down, and did Adil Jones. Okay. So whenever you guys need me to scroll down the screen, please tell.
So can you scroll down?
Yes. Tala.
Yes.
Yes, so Talha also attempted 14 questions this time. Right, Talha? In the fortnightly test, you attempted 14 questions, right? Okay, so yeah. What I want is that I will quickly in July, I will try to finish all these three chapters. Triangles and triangle coordinate geometry. And what other chapter did he do? He or she do in your school, Saima?
Trigonometry, introduction
Trigonometry.
to trigonometry.
Okay, introduction to trigonometry. Yeah. So after triangle, I will start introduction to trigonometry.
So can you scroll down?
Yes. Okay, it's already 7:50.
Third dawn.
Done. Talha and Sama, done.
Yes, sir.
Talha, boss. Yes, Talha.
Yes.
So vacation started, Talha and Rizwan. Oh, so Rizwan will start on 20th, right?
Sir, after
25th.
this week.
After this week. Okay. Yeah. Rizwan, today is the last episode of Wednesday. Okay.
Yeah, 70 minutes.
70 minutes, yeah. So after the class, after 2 hours, I guess they will release that.
Yes.
Okay, and yeah, so in theaters they have also released this Black Clover episode film.
Yeah, movie.
Okay, let me. So it's already 7:13. So I will just quickly.
Yeah.
So this is
It's
the
the AN value.
AN. This is A, and this is what you call T, right?
Yes, sir.
So in which year did his income rise? So you just calculate the N, which will give you the number of years, and then you just add to this value. So that will give you the year. Right. Okay, you guys try at your home, right? So
Okay, sir.
and Ram Kali saved 5 in first week of a year and then increases by 1.7. So this is A, this is D, and this is what? This is A, right?
AN value. Yes.
So we have to find them. Okay, so this was about these two questions. I quickly went through these questions. So these guys just clear it. Because I have to start this sum of first in terms of it. Right. What is meant by sum of first in terms of it? So
There's
you,
some will be first term.
yeah. So You have, okay, what have I written here? Yeah. So, what do you mean by sum of first n terms of it? Let's say I have the first term. Let's say I have the first term, which is A1. And then I have the second term, A2. And then so on. Right. So what I do is that I take the sum of first one term. So this would be S1. And then what I do is that I take the sum of this one and this one. So A1 plus A2. So that would be sum to two terms, right? And if I take the sum of all these three terms, so that would be A1 plus A2 plus A3, right? So that would be sum to three terms. And so on. So this would be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, and that would be S1. Okay, so on, so AN. So that would be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus AN. This would give me S1. Understood, guys? So any doubt in this part?
No, sir.
So you tell me that if I calculate S3 minus S2, so what would give me? So what would that give me? That will give me what? You
We
will tell me.
give
Yeah,
A3.
A3. Yes. Floor is one. You are using 100% of your brain today.
Nah, sir, I already finished this part.
Yeah, so you already have finished this part. Yeah,
Yes,
so that
good.
will give me A3. Yes. And if I calculate S4 minus S3, so Talha, what will that be? Yes. Yes, Talha sir.
Yes.
So if I calculate S4 minus S3, so what would that be?
S4 minus S3.
Yeah, S4 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, right? This is S4. And S3 is A1 plus A2 plus A3. So if I subtract S4 minus A3, so this
It will
would
be
give me A4, right?
right.
So this is the one property of the sum to n terms. So if I subtract the successive terms with the preceding term, this will give me the last term. Okay, understood?
Right.
Yeah, so this is the one of the properties of the Sn. And how we write Sn? So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the formula for Sn. Right. So we have three formulas in AP. One is this general formula, which is a plus t, a plus 2d, and so on. Then we have this an, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. And then we have this sum to n term. So this is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we have to remember all these three formula, and that will, so then we'll be able to solve any problem of it. Okay. Any doubt, guys?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So you guys quickly note down this part. Quickly note down this. Just write sum to n terms of Okay, so sum to n terms meaning we have to just sum all these terms, right? This was the meaning of this sum. You guys just quickly note down this part and then we'll write different formulas for a set. Yes, done, guys.
No, sir.
So 7:20. I have 10 minutes. So in nth term of an AP, we had to find out the first term, the number of terms, and the common difference. So to find this sum to n terms, we have also need to find out this n number of terms, this first term, and then this common difference, right? So we have to identify only these three terms, three parts. First term, number of terms, and the common difference.
Done.
Done. Yes, Talha and Shama.
Done, sir.
Yes, Talha.
Done.
Okay, so this was about this sum to n terms, and we can write other forms of sum to n terms also. So you guys see that we can write 2a as a plus a. Right, we can write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. So Shaima, you tell me what is this?
N.
An, right? So this would be a plus a. So we can also apply this formula, right? Whenever we have given the first term, the nth term, and the number of terms, so we can use this formula to calculate sum to n terms, right? When n, a, and an are given, this is used when a, n, and d are given, right? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
And then we can also write as n into a plus an by 2. So this is how much? First and last term by 2. So that would give me the middle term. So n into middle term. Right. So if you are given the middle term, and then you are given this n, so you can calculate the SN. So these are the three formulas that you can use. This one, this one, this one. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quickly note it down and then we'll start the problems.
Sir, which one is the middle term?
Which one is the middle term? So you have this first term, then you have this last term. So if you add first term and the last term and then divide it by 2, so that will give you the middle term, right? So let's say you have 1, 2, and 3. So this is the middle term, right?
Yes,
So if I calculate sum to, so this would be 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? So this is 6. But I can directly calculate as 2 into number of terms are how much? 3. So 6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you don't have to write all these formula. If you know the middle term and number of terms, then you can directly calculate. Right?
In my school, they didn't taught that middle term splitting.
No, middle term split.
Okay,
But
not middle term
middle,
splitting.
yeah, middle
Middle
term.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because this they can ask this in 1 mark question, right? So yeah, they will not teach you, but they will ask you in 1 mark question, or maybe in 2 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, noted, guys. Yes, done.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. And what is Talha answer? Yes, Talha. Why are you so silent today? What happened? Everything good?
Sir, the second one and the third one are same, right?
Second one and the third one. Which one?
No, not it.
Which one? Which one, boss?
No, this SN by 2 bracket, that A, yeah, that one only.
Oh, this one and this one.
No, the last two. Yeah, I mean that only, yeah.
Yeah, so this one I just wrote the bracket to specify that this can be written as middle term, right? Yeah,
So
so
both are same, right?
yeah, this one and this one are same, but I had to, so this one and this one are also same, right? But
Yes,
I
sir.
have to show that how can we reach this. So that is why. And so in this also I have to show that how should we reach this middle term, right? So that is why I just rearranged those terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, noted.
Yes, sir.
Salam. Yes, Tala, noted. Okay. So let us do some problems. Why did I erase that? Let us do some problems and understand. Oh, before I do that, I didn't give you a name. So let me give you guys some homework. Can you guys please send me those homework, because please. Yeah, I will give you simpler ones. Okay. So you had these homeworks, so just take 2 homework. 22 and 24, right? So please send. Okay, 22 and 24. Okay, guys, please send it with the response.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yes, take this screenshot. Okay, so take in the screenshot, guys.
Should I write in one paper?
Yeah, in one paper use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yes, Shama and Talha. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So let us quickly. I have 1 minute, and in 1 minute we can do one problem. Which of this is this? Is my. Where is this 5 point? Find this sum of the following tables to 10 terms. So we have to calculate A is 2, D is 5, and N is 10. So S10 would simply be right. A, T, and N argument. So we have to apply this form. 2A plus N minus 1 into. Right, guys. So this would be 10 by 2, 2 plus 9 into D is 5. So this is 5. And this is 4 plus 45. So this is 5 into 49. So this is right. This is simple. So this AP chapter is very simple, guys. We have to use only 3 formulas, and yeah, we have to find all these AGM. Okay, guys. So you guys just quickly note it down, and yeah. So okay, Sana has not come here. What is happening? Are they left? Sana has not come. I should ask her what is the status of this class assessment. And yeah, did you guys note it down? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now Talha's turn, right? Okay, Rizwan and Shaima, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is this Rizwan's turn or Talha's turn? Whose turn is it?
So it's the lesson, sir.
Oh, that's
Look who's happy. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's my turn. Oh, I guess
Okay.
it's my turn.
Now let's see people will change.
Uh,
Whose turn? Whose turn is it?
My turn. It was my turn.
Okay, Talha, so your turn. Okay, what is A, Talha?
This minus 37.
Minus 37, right? What is D?
D is 4.
Yeah, just quickly tell me the difference, right?
Right. So
So just we have to just quickly calculate the difference. A2 minus A1, right?
4.
4. Oh, you are saying 4. Oh, so did any of you guys heard he was saying 4?
Yeah.
This one and
No.
Shaima.
no.
Shaima, did you hear 4?
No, sir.
Oh, you
No,
heard.
no.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so our mistake, Tala. Sorry. Yeah,
No.
so yeah, N is 12, and we can
Yes.
apply this S12, right? So this would be N by 2, 2A plus M minus 1 into D, right? So we know all these terms. So N is 12 by 2 into A is how much? Minus 37. N is 12 minus 11, D is 4, right? So this is 6. 6 into this is minus 74 plus 11, 44, right? So this would be 6 into this is how much? 0, this is 30. So minus 1. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow you will be here, Rizwan, right?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
Yeah, on with this class, so you will not be able to join, right?
Yes, sir. I will be traveling.
Okay, okay. Also happy and safe journey. And
Okay, thank you, sir.
on Monday I will say again. Okay, so but for
Okay.
today's, yeah, you guys quickly note it down, and then because Sana has not joined yet, so I guess there'll be no assessment again today. But you guys please join those assessment. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So just quickly note it down and so which chapter you guys found difficult?
The fourth one.
The
I
fourth
guess.
quadratic one.
Yeah. No, the questions came hard in my exam.
Okay. Okay. So the
Chapter is
filter
pretty easy.
the rest ones are pretty easy. So for you, Tala, which one is difficult? This AP. Yes, Tala.
For me, I think chapter 4 or 3.
Chapter 4. 4 or 3. Okay, so you're confused between 3 and 4. And Shaima, for you, which chapter you found difficult?
3.
3. Okay, so what I will do is that I will revise 3 and 4 at some point. We will do rigorous training of 3 and 4. We will do many questions of 3 and 4 chapter. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
so whenever you guys have finished, then okay, who has joined? Who has joined? Amar, okay, so Amar is from the hi Amar, assalamu alaikum.
Islam, sir. Sorry, I didn't see the time properly. So,
Oh, no worries, no worries. So don't bother about the time, right? We are cool here, right? So we chill here. So don't bother about the time that you have joined first or so this is my first batch Amar.